Alright, doing a little update video on the little Fiberfab Avenger that I'm doing. Been mainly spent this week pulling off and correcting the boo-boos on whoever tried to put it together before. We started out with the door hinges. Whoever started putting it together in the years past used the wrong hinges. It's supposed to take a 65 Mustang hinge, and they put, I don't know what these are off of, but they don't even fit the car, and it was impossible to adjust the doors on it. So I ordered from eBay some new 65 Mustang hinges, and we're waiting on them to come in. Also, I put a different transaxle in it. This transaxle here has got the better gears in it to take a better, higher powered engine and everything, and also pulled all the wiring and all the just the cheesy stuff somebody's trying to do. I'm trying to do this thing right. Got the dash back out of it again, and we're going to remount the steering wheel the way it's supposed to go, and I'm going to put a set of hydraulic clutch and brake pedal assembly in it instead of the Volkswagen. I'll still use the Volkswagen throttle cable for the throttle. Did get my Formula V shifter put in. I really think that's a really cool old school shifter. Had it and put it in there. I like them. They work really well. They're hard to come by. Don't find them very often anymore. And we scrapped the Volkswagen engine idea, and I am putting a V6 Ford in it. Right here. Got it under wraps here. We're putting a V6 Ford. I'm waiting on an intake for it to come in, and waiting on Kennedy Engineering to make me an adapter. I ordered the adapter for it that adapts the V6 to the transmission, makes it to the Volkswagen transmission. It comes with an adapter, flywheel bolts. You use your Volkswagen starter and clutch, and I did a little test fit on it, and it works, and it fits under the rear of the car, so that's all going to be good. And it'll make it a lot cooler that way than just a regular Volkswagen engine. And I ordered some adjustable rear springs, or shocks and springs together, coilovers, so I can adjust the height so the rear wheels won't be pigeon-toed. And I was able to find through Summit Racing a set of these tires are old and weather cracked, you know, but they actually fit the car good. So Summit Racing had a set of 14-inch 50 series BF Goodrich that would fit this car. So we ordered them too, $279 a piece. But that's what we're doing this week, is just remove the old boo-boo week and go back with the kind of the right thing. But I just wanted to let you know I thought the V6 is a good idea for it. And this week we're going to try to install the fuel cell and the radiator and the coolant lines that go back to the back of the car. Alright, thanks for keeping up with me, folks, and I'll keep you updated. Bye.